I guess so. Hi. I'm gonna be opening gifts. They're all for myself, so. I don't know how I came up with the names, but I just did. Opening all of them. And I'm gonna be wearing them. I don't want to wear this. I just got both the same exact thing. Where is it? This, and this. This is just a little bit lighter, but I got almost the same exact thing. I want to wear this. There. Looks nice. Well, I guess that's it. This video is kind of short. I need to buy one of the... I might get VIP really soon. I need to buy a new animation. Done. I don't care. No. I'm just tired and I want to get this video over with, so I guess I'm gonna buy it. Ugh. I usually never waste my money like that. I don't know what's wrong with me. Where's the top? Oh, well, I got the number 1. I might buy that. Oh, I want this. And this. And I want that. I'm not wasting my money though. I'm gonna buy this one right here. And then buy those 2 with a different account, so. And maybe this one. So I guess bye for now.